Hi friends, welcome back YouTube channel. So how's you all? I hope you're all fine and good. Today you will see in this video very beautiful and very stylish, modern, stylish haircut designs. Fabulous and attractive, you will see unique, modern, short pixie haircuts ideas in 2023. Today you will see in this videos modern haircut designs. If you like my videos, so watch my full videos and share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Do you have new ideas of unique haircut designs or viewers? Please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos, so I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. You will see unique, attractive, short pixie haircuts designs, decent tight haircuts, hair colors and hairstyles ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique, beautiful front, back and sided pose, modern, short pixie haircuts designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos, and you like these one unique haircuts ideas, so take a screenshot and save to your mobile. This video is very helpful for you and very useful for you, so watch my full videos and enjoy the all modern haircuts ideas. Marvelous and stylish, you will see unique, attractive, short pixie haircut designs. I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. Very beautiful and very stylish, unique, stylish haircuts ideas. Top stunning and stylish, you will see unique, modern, short pixie haircut designs. So I hope you like my videos, friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos.